team variants with team member Yash and Manan Shah. Our homes have clothes, furniture, or electronics items that are not in proper condition and could be repaired, and reused. At times, we neglect and dispose them off without any second thought. Wouldn't it be better if it's given to someone who needs it? This kind of problem has been tackled offline. So, with technology in hand, we have made a Danveer application using Microsoft Power Apps platform to connect the gap between donor and NGO using features of Microsoft like Canvas app, Dataverse, Power BI, AI Builder, and Virtual Chatbot. Let's have a look at the demo now. Okay. We've now logged in here as a donor. Login would be made based on the user ID and appropriate account would be open. Now, your donor wants to donate certain items and NGO can consume if they require. So we are now donor is donating shirt and adding a description. Based on that description, using the AI builder, it would predict the category. What kind of the category is the item of? So you can see the clothes has been populated, and we'll add relevant pictures to it. Upon successfully adding that item, NGO, if they require that particular item to be claimed, then they would go and claim that item. If we go and click on the clothes section, the NGO can claim based on the user rating that is being given. So if a user rating is good, then NGO can go ahead and claim item. The next section where NGO requires certain item and requests it's in Danveer application. So here we are with the NGO login and NGO is now requesting for certain item. We'll add the item name, description, the photos relevant to it, and the number of quantity they need. When the NGO requests, the donor can check the NGO's request, and if he wishes to pledge those items, he would go ahead and pledge the number of quantity he wants to donate. So the donor has pledged 2 items. The NGO would now be able to see the requests. If we go on the NGO portal and check donations received, when we go and click on request fulfilled, he can check the item that he had asked and 2 quantity has been donated. After that, he can give certain rating to that donor if he wished to. The next section where an NGO decides to host an event, they could add the details of that event. So NGO has decided to put up a food donation drive and adding the details, the description, location, the banner associated with that event. The donor now can view those events that the NGO has been added and register themselves for the event depending on their availability. So the NGO has registered, the donor has registered. Now we have set up a notification feature. So whenever donor has registered for the event, then the NGO in the event when the NGO donor registers for the event, when donor fulfills a request placed by that particular NGO, and a notification to user would also be sent whenever an NGO claims an item donated by a donor. A detailed email would also be sent to the donor or the NGO with the details of an item whenever an item is either claimed or a request has been or an event donor has registered himself for that event. Next, we would move on to the dashboard. We have 2 dashboards, one for NGO, one for user. So for user, we have number of items donated by the donors and requests fulfilled by the donors. We can select top 1, top 2, top 3. In the similar fashion, we have NGO dashboard where we are displaying the items, number of items donated by the donation date, item category, number of users who have registered for the event, and the quantity needed and what was the quantity asked for. The next section is the chatbot virtual, that is a virtual chatbot that has been implemented. With limited functionality, we could ask for number of users that have been registered or what is the purpose of this particular application that has been developed. So these were the features that were now covered in this demo. We'll now move on to the presentation talking about the future scope. So we've identified few future scope like the food donation drive, where donation of excess food in any events or restaurants could be done. Waste recycling, where recyclable items like plastic, paper with that could be turned into some useful product and could be put up for donation. Multilingual support, so that is the support of vernacular language, so that app is reachable to all type of users. The chat support to place a better communication between the donor and NGO. We've decided to make our chatbot with more functionality where user or donor or NGO could also could also request for a certain item or donate a certain item using the chatbot. Then is a fuzzy search implementation where we could search for any item across the application. So that was it about the Ganvi's application.